You and your American people.
We had plans to go out to dinner with our friends tonight. They called, they canceled. They were like, hey guys, we're so sorry. I had an emergency rain check. I'm like, all right, no problem. This one is super quiet. I'm like, what's wrong with him?
Why would they say rain check? Then I went out to the window. I went to check. The weather is clean and clear. Clean and clear weather. Clean and clear. Everywhere. No sign of rain. I'm like, why would they say rain check?
What kind of friends do you have?
And
What kind of friends do you have?
I don't want to embarrass you.
They're lying. It's not raining outside.
That's not how I talk. I didn't want to embarrass her because I was like, it's not. I almost called them back. It's not raining. Why would they say rain check? Sorry, we are not coming again today. Let's postpone. We'll postpone. What is rain check? Under the sun, rain check.